Thank you for purchasing your DIY pest control product. It's a product in a box. It's a kit. Inside the kit, it comes with gloves and it comes with a mask. Also, it comes with a product. It's a licensed product in a little box like this. This is the licensed product. It comes in a bottle and it also gives you a full set of instructions. Please read the instructions carefully. So what you've got is you've got your product inside here, your licensed product in the little plastic container. You can mix 5 liters in a 5-liter bottle. So you must have 5 liters of clean water. You put the full contents of this little bottle into the 5 liters. Then you've got a 5 liters of product. Or you can purchase from the plastic shop a 1 liter spray bottle, and you can mix 10 mils of this product and put 10 mils into 1 liter. There is a little measure here and it measures 10, 20, 30 mils, etc. So what you do is once you've got your mix and you've decanted it from the 5 liter into the 1 liter, or if you've mixed 1 liter, what you do is you spray all the corners at the bottom of the cupboards, wherever you want to spray, on the cupboard doors, on the corners for mosquitoes, etc. You just spray. And what happens after 20 minutes to 40 minutes, the spray dries and it leaves a non-toxic residue. That residue stays there for 4 to 6 weeks, and anything like flies or mosquitoes, whatever product you've used, walks over there, it'll actually kill those insects. So I'd like to introduce you to Wiseman. Wiseman's going to tell a little bit in Xhosa, and over to you, Wiseman.
Molweni siyanibulisa kwa DIY. Sinale DIY le eliyeza siligalela kwi5 liter, from kwi5 liter siligalela lonke sihlukuhle, okanye simixe kangango 10 mm, siyayi 10 mm nguyelo sigalele kwiliter 10 mm simixa ngayo. La 10 mm sigalela kuliter kuloke ngosebenza ngokwaye njengoba isesa spray sispraya ngaso phansi kwi-corners phansi nakwikhabhathi apha kukhona amapela. Xa sinabo mosquito izingcungcuni sispraya ngazo kweza ndawo zihlala kuzo ingcungcuni phaa phezulu endlini. Azifi ngokwangoku, xa seke zihamba phaa seyomile noba seyomile ziyakwazi ke ngoku zingaphinde zibe khona phaa phezulu kulezi ndawo zihamba kuzo ezi zinto. Ngoko ke siyabulela ngentsebenziswano. Enye into ningazilibali iigloves zikhona apha phakathi, ikhona nemask. Kuyanyanzeleka xa sisebenzisayo sifake iigloves nemask. Funeka sizihlambile izandla silumkele ngezimehlweni. Ingozi.
Thank you for watching. Once again, read the instructions, use your masks, use your gloves, and wash your hands after you've used the product. Thank you.